What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. We have a filing S4 form out of GameStop that just came out about 24 minutes ago. So we're going to take a look. This was filed, or the transaction date for this today was yesterday. And we have an acquisition of vesting stocks. Not shares purchased in the open market, but we have restricted stock units vesting on the date of the next annual meeting. So if anyone tells you otherwise, if you see a bunch of YouTubers come out with videos saying that GME board members bought shares, that's not the case. They were vested, and we have about $17.50, but the price they were vested at was $114.32, and this is subject to accelerated vesting in certain circumstances. So I just wanted to point that out. Found that very interesting. Again, 1,750 shares were acquired by, who was it? Chang Lawrence. And then I believe there's a subsequent one as well that we can look at. This was 30 minutes ago. And then we have multiple ones. Okay, hold on. So we have multiple FORM4s. So hold on, let's look at all of them. Okay, so we have this one. We have this one. Atal Elaine picked up $17.50 at a price of $114.32, and that puts his total of shares owned at 132,173. Again, restricted stock units vesting on the date of the annual meeting of shareholders, the next meeting, and it's subject to accelerated vesting in certain circumstances. So we have that one from Atal Elaine. Then we have this one here from James Grube. He picked up $17.50 at a price of $114.32. He beneficially owns a total of 3,773, and this is subject to accelerated vesting in certain circumstances. This one here, Yang Zhu picked up $17.50 at a price of $114.32. Puts his total at $2,772, and again, subject to accelerated vesting in certain circumstances at the next shareholder meeting. And then lastly, the first one we looked up initially, Lawrence Ching, $17.50, $114.32. Puts his total at $9,772. And again, vested stock units for the next shareholder meeting, but subject to accelerated vesting in certain circumstances. There you have it. 4 new S4s out of GameStop.